Want to make your car look like it just rolled out of the showroom? Today, I'm showing you how to get that showroom shine in just minutes with these easy steps. Let's get started. First, give your car a quick rinse to remove dirt and grime. Use a pressure washer or a hose with a high-pressure nozzle to blast off any loose debris. This helps prevent scratches when you start washing. Next, mix a wash and wax soap in a bucket of water. This not only cleans your car but also adds a layer of wax, giving it that instant shine. Use a foam cannon or sponge to cover the car evenly, working in sections. Always use the 2-bucket method. 1 bucket for soapy water and another for rinsing your mitt. This helps avoid scratching the paint by keeping the dirt out of your soap. Once rinsed, dry your car using a microfiber towel. This step is crucial for avoiding water spots and leaves your car looking streak-free and glossy. Now for the magic touch. Use a quick detailer spray. Spray it lightly over each panel and buff it in with a clean microfiber cloth. This gives your car that deep, showroom shine in minutes. Finish off by applying a tire shine to the tires and cleaning the windows. Shiny tires and streak-free windows complete that professional look. And there you have it. A showroom shine in just minutes. Want more car detailing tips? Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more videos. Your car will thank you.